Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove content warning on X or previously the Twitter app. So first, just head over to the X app, then slide your screen to the right, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down for a little bit until you can see Privacy and Safety. Next is click on Content You See, click on Search Settings, then turn off hide sensitive content. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily remove content warning on your X app. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!